Wait, please. Take off the jewelry.
Sir, I'll have to take off my clothes to do that.
All right. Then you'll make a cup of coffee next time.
Thank you. Thank you,
Please.
sir.
Yeah, go, thank you. No, it's first, baby, wait a minute.
Officer Myers, the result clear? Let the go through.
No, I'm gonna examine the passenger myself.
Sir, I'm already late for my flight. May I just...
Baby, this will only take a minute, okay?
Right, okay. Yeah.
Is this your luggage?
Yeah, that's mine. Please.
Nice.
Could you please just do it faster?
I'm just doing my job, man, okay? Don't worry. Nice. Did you pack it yourself?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Damn. Such detective underwear should be banned for transportation. I'm taking this for an additional examination.
Are you kidding me? Stop that.
Whoa.
Give me back my...
Whoa, man. Interpreting is an officer's work. I'm gonna have to give you a full body search, man. Come with me, ma'am.
Wait, sir, Officer Myers. But only female officer can examine her.
That's true. But the trouble is, Officer Mary has gone to lunch. It's only one thing. Ma'am. Either you're missing your flight or I'm examining you right now. What's it gonna be?
Do what you have to do and I will forget about it.
Step aside.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Follow me, man.
Can I help you?
What are you doing here? There's a bunch of people out there.
Yeah, sir, all flights have a clear security, so how can I help you?
I can handle this on my own. Get out of here.
I want him to examine me.
What?
I have the right, this officer, right?
Yeah, okay.
Sorry, ma'am,
It's fine as long as it's not him.
I'll try to do it very carefully. It's all right. I don't see any reason to keep her any longer.
There is one more thing left.
No.
Open your mouth.
Wait, what?
Rapid heartbeat. Nervous movements. Baby. Are you on substances?
No.
No? No?
No.
No? So let's check it. Open your mouth. Good girl.
Can I finally go on my flight?
What a flight. You're gonna spend the night with me.
At night? But you didn't do anything illegal.
Yeah, for sure. Just a protocol. Let's see what her tests say.
Ma'am, don't worry. Everything's gonna be fine.
Leave her and take her to the detention area.
But how?
But looks like the junior officer wants to disobey or even lose his job.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Let's go. Who are we going to fly to?
To my little sister.
I'm sure she'll be as happy to see you tomorrow as she was today. Just please, don't cry.
My tears are nothing. I just care about tears of my little sister.
What happened to her?
Officer, just get me where I need to be. I'm gonna be alone, okay? What are you doing?
We're already here. Say hello to your sister.
But that's my gate.
Yes.
Yeah, but that officer told me.
He just gave me an order, and now you're completely free to go.
But you are going to be arrested.
Ma'am. It's my choice. And if it helps stop your tears, I'm perfectly happy with it. Have a nice flight.
You have no idea how much it means to me and my sister. We'll see you very soon.
Hey, you shouldn't have crossed me. Remember? The one with the power always wins.
Sir, will you stay with me for a couple of minutes?
Who are you?
The sister of that girl you saved from that creep.
Did he do this to you too?
A week ago. But there was no one to stop him then.
Check it out.
You're under arrest for abuse of authority.
That's nonsense. You can prove it.
Thanks to the junior officer, I was able to get it on film. It seems like the one with the power not always win.
You jerk him, and you at all.
I just couldn't do it without you.
Oh, come on, just...
Yeah. How can I repay you?
No. I don't need anything. Thank you.
Hey kid. She owes you a cup of coffee. Maybe it's time to use it.
You know, your sister's right. I want some hot cup of coffee and... finally, know your name.
Well, Okay.